With the name of Allah, who is the most beneficial and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students. So, me Sayyida Wajih Zara, and today I am going to summarize your chapter Effect of Our Population on Health and Nutrition. So, pick your pencil and copy in your hands and write down your summary. World Population Day is celebrated on 11th July to remind people about the problem caused by the fast increase in the world's population. Many groups and organizations arrange seminars and activities to spread awareness about the issues like health, nutrition, human rights, poverty, and gender inequality. According to the United Nations, the world population in 2017 was 7.5 billion. Overpopulation happens when the number of people becomes more than what the earth can support with comfort, happiness, and good health. Pakistan is one of the countries where the population growth is very high. Pakistan's population is about 210 million people, making it the fifth most populated country in the world. It is expected that Pakistan will become the fourth most populated country in 2050. Overpopulation in Pakistan is caused by many factors such as lack of education, gender inequality, traditional beliefs, and poor health facilities. Many families with more children, especially sons, which increases the birth rate. Gender inequality is one of the most biggest reason for high population because women do not always get equal rights or chances to make the decision. Poverty is also the major cause because poor families believe more children will bring more income. Due to the population explosion, many women and children in Pakistan suffers from undernutrition and almost 40% of children face stunt growth. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, 37.5 million people in Pakistan do not get proper food. As the population grows, the need for the health facilities also increases. But due to limited resources, hospitals also become overcrowded. Medicine become expensive and healthcare gets out of reach for the poor peoples. Family planning isn't practiced properly and health standards are falling. When more people live close together, diseases spread faster. And overpopulation also increases the problems and also increases the pollution in the environment. Overpopulation is also the big problem and dirty water become a big problem and causes many illness every year. In crowded place, viruses spread quickly and make the water unsafe. Because overpopulation and air population is also getting the worse. More people are using more vehicles, which increases the smoke in the air. This polluted air affects the children more than the adults. Poor air quality causes many health problems such as asthma, lungs cancer, throat inflammation, respiratory disease, and also heart diseases. Overpopulation also forces people to live in unsafe places. For example, during 2010 and 11 floods in Pakistan, hundreds and thousands of the people will die because they will living on floodplains. To control population growth, it is the most important to educate the families and empower women so that they can decide how many children they want. So, thank you.